Hi guys, today we are making baked noodles. So I'm making use of 2 pack of noodles, not the big one. No. So first of all, you boil your noodles, don't overcook it, okay? So this is the seasoning that come with the noodles, seasoning and I think pepper, but I'm also adding extra onions and fresh pepper. So I'll add it to the seasoning. We are making 3 egg on this noodles. So the 3 was not enough. I decided to add 1 to before. If you know you love egg like me, you can make use of 4 or you can use 2 or 3. Depend on you. So indomie is ready. I'll remove it from that water so that it will not over soak. I add a pinch of salt. I'll mix very well. Make sure you combine everything. So it's time to add our boiled noodles. Like I said, don't overcook your noodles. So now we'll combine everything. I use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So now it's time to add our mixed butter. I'm spreading it so that it can be well cooked. Spread it out. Flip to the other side so that you can also cook there. Wow, so beautiful. Make sure it is well cooked. You can flip to see if the other side is cooked, just the way I'm doing it. That's why I said make sure you watch this video to the end. You can see that our noodles is ready. It's well baked. So time to remove it from the heat. Wow, looking so beautiful. It was so tasty. You have to try this recipe, guys. Time to test. Hmm. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Bye guys. I'll see you on my next video.